Okay. Hello, this is Goody Toy Shoes again. Today, Dr. Phil came into the office because he needs to take off his braces. So we're gonna do that right now. Say ah, ah. Alrighty. Let's take a look. Teeth look pretty healthy. Okay. We're gonna wash it down. Okay, Dr. Phil, we're gonna take your braces off. There we go. Okay. I'm going to clean it up for you. Okay, let's brush your teeth. Alrighty. I think we're done here. Yay! Dr. Phil, you look great. Why, thank you. Thank you, doctor. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. This was Goody Two Shoes. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.